Scene 172 hours ago, I had 0 ebooks online. Right now, I'm looking at $1,247 in sales. I didn't write a single word myself. I used ChatGPT, a free design tool, in one platform most people completely overlook, and I'm going to show you the exact process in this video. Scene 2, I know what you're thinking. Another get-rich-quick thing. I get it. So let me show you proof first, then the method. No fluff, no 40-minute filler. By the time this video ends, you'll have a complete system you can start today. Even if you have no writing skills, no design skills, and no audience. Scene 3, the 3-step framework. Here's the whole system in 3 steps. Step 1, use ChatGPT to write the entire ebook in under 20 minutes. Step 2, use Canva, totally free, and to make it look professional in another 10. Step 3, list it on Gumroad or Etsy and let it sell while you sleep. That's it. Let me show you each one live. Scene 4, niche selection. Why it matters. Before ChatGPT, you need a topic. The secret, don't pick what you like. Pick what people are already searching for. I'm going to show you the exact prompt I used to find 10 profitable niches in about 60 seconds. Watch this. Scene 5. Step 1, ChatGPT Niche Plus Outline Prompt. I'm typing this prompt. Give me 10 ebook ideas that solve specific problems for busy professionals. Price between $7 and $27, with low competition on Etsy and Gumroad. See how specific that is? I'm not asking for random ideas, I'm asking for monetizable ideas. Look what it spits out. Scene 6, Step 2 Continued Felice, Full Ebook. Written by AI. I picked this one, 5-minute morning routines for overwhelmed parents. Now I type, write a complete 2,000-word ebook on this topic with an introduction, 5 chapters, and an actionable conclusion. Use a warm, friendly tone. And boom, full ebook, done. I'm not exaggerating when I say this took 18 minutes total. Scene 7, Step 3, Canva. Design walkthrough. Now Canvas. I go to canva.com, search ebook template, pick one of their free ones. This takes literally 30 seconds. Paste in the ChatGPT text, swap the colors, and upload a free image from Unsplash. The result looks like something a designer charged $300 for. Look at this cover. Scene 8, Step 4, listing on Gumroad. Last step, upload it. Gumroad is free to start. I create a new product, set the price at $9, write a 2-sentence description, which ChatGPT also writes for me, and hit publish. That whole step took 4 minutes. Scene 9, show all 10 products plus revenue breakdown. I did this for 10 different topics over one weekend. Here are all 10 live products right now on my Gumroad store. Some are selling more than others. This one on meal prepping for beginners alone brought in $312 this month. The morning routines one, $198. You can see they add up fast. Scene 10, monthly run rate math. And here's the math. 10 products averaging $9 each. Each selling conservatively 10 copies a month. That's $900 a month on autopilot. My best month so far was $1,247. The ebooks are already uploaded. They sell while I'm sleeping, working my job, whatever. This is genuinely passive. Scene 11, the Bonus Plus Subscribe Push. I put together a free ChatGPT prompt pack. The exact 12 prompts I used to write all 10 ebooks. And it's linked in the description. Grab it. It's free. And if you want the full step-by-step Notion checklist I follow every time I launch a new ebook, subscribe because I'm dropping that next week. Scene 12, final sign-off plus end screen. If you found this useful, a like literally takes 1 second and it helps more people find this. I'll see you in the next one.